Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be trying out some magnetic lashes. Now I know these are not, the idea of these are not new. I've never actually tried magnetic lashes before. I do like to wear false lashes, so if these work, that'd be sweet, because the idea of magnetic lashes really intrigues me. You don't have to apply that sticky glue that kind of gets everywhere. And, applying lashes can be really hard. They can pop up from the corners, be tough to get, to stick down. It can be hard to, kind of maneuver them for different eye shapes and all that. So, lashes can be tricky. And the idea of the magnetic lashes, and there's so many different brands, but the idea for pretty much all magnetic lashes is that you have a magnetic eyeliner, and that the actual strip lashes have little, magnetics within the band, and they stick to the magnetic eyeliner. So number one, all you have to do is put on this eyeliner. It's a 2-in-1, so it's kind of like your glue and your liner, and then you just pop the lashes on top and they're supposed to stick. So I'm really hoping that these work. I do have another kind coming. I believe it's the ones that I think it's either Kim or Courtney. I think it's Kourtney Kardashian loves to wear. I mean, I think that there are, I'm sure, lots of brands out there that have created these magnetic lashes that are good quality and that actually work. But those I have on the way. I think they're something like, I think it's Magnetic SL or something like that. So I have a pair of those coming. Shipping has been taking a lot longer lately due to what's going on in the world, which is totally understandable. So I'm being patient. I'm being patient, but very excited for those to come. Anyways, what we're doing today is trying out these babies right here. So these I actually got on, I think it's Showcase, but I got it online. It's called, the website is shop@showcase.com. And I actually, here in Canada, in some of the malls, there are like the Showcase stores you can go into. Showcase is a really cool store that has, kind of, it almost is like the shopping channel in a store. All those cool things that you see on TV. Now, obviously I didn't get them from there because I'm not going into malls right now, but long story short, I found these babies and I thought, why not, right? It's just called Magnetic Eyeliner and Lashes Kit. So it's not like a brand name. I'm regular $19.99 right now. They're $14.99. I did a little bit of further research. I was on the Canadian website. So I have both US and Canadian prices now. So US, they are actually also regular $19.99. So on both websites, they're regular $19.99, but on the US, they're on sale $9.99. In Canada, it's $14.99. Really reasonably priced, even for like a regular pair of false lashes. That's pretty average. Some of the higher end false lashes you can get $20+. So for 10 to 15, that's pretty reasonable. That being said, with the magnetics, they're even more reusable, I would say. If these work, you're not having to clean all that gunk and glue and makeup buildup along the strip. And I find you can only do that so many times because the lashes end up getting kind of damaged. The cheap ones, I typically use them 1, maybe 2 times, whereas like the Huda Beauty and the House of Lashes and all of those higher end brands, I try to wear them as many times as I can to get the money's worth. Anyways, so the really cool thing about these is you're putting the eyeliner on and then sticking the lashes on the eyeliner, and they're sticking to that. So number one, it's going to make it a lot easier. Number two, it's going to make it a lot less messy. And then number three, it's going to make them more reusable. So that is really cool. The way that these ones look, nice. They're kind of an in-between natural and dramatic. They're definitely not dramatic because they're, the lashes themselves are pretty thin. They feel pretty soft and almost kind of, what material are they made out of? It's what I'm curious about. because they feel almost kind of like a faux mink. The way that magnetic lashes work is, like I said, this is the magnetic part you have to apply yourself, and then these just pop right on and are supposed to attach to this. So we're gonna see how this one does. And then, I mean, I'm curious to try a bunch of different brands. So maybe what I'll do after this is get a couple other brands, including the one that's on its way, and then maybe we'll see like which one is best. The two-step application is quick, easy, and painless. The magnetic lashes are unlike any other lash kit, and the results are fantastic. There's no glue, no injections, and no special skills required. My question is, who's getting injections on their eyes for lashes? Is that a thing? Are people getting like okay, let's search this. I guess for eyes, yeah, duh. I'm losing it. Okay, yeah, let's just get to it because I've talked enough about this. So it comes in this like little plastic sleeve that on the back has the application instructions. It's then in this little plastic case, which is actually not too bad. It's not bad. It's pretty like durable, which is nice when you're going to be storing lashes, and then it obviously comes with the little like holder. So if we wanted to like keep using these, depending on how they work, then I could just put them back on here, pop them in here, and keep them safe, not dirty, and don't get lost, because I do that a lot. I lose my lashes all the time. Okay, I'm a hot mess today. I've reheated my coffee 3 times now. Forgot my mascara upstairs. I'm losing it. And I feel like I look psycho right now. I always feel like I look really weird when I have my eyeshadow and the rest of my makeup on and no at least mascara. And I also love my eyeliner too. So I need to pop that on. Okay, so now that I've got myself together here, let's move on. Okay, so on the back, as I said, application instructions. We're gonna follow these precisely so that we do it right and give it a good shot. So, if your lashes are too wide, cut right beside the next magnet. Don't cut like midway between, which makes so much sense because the corners are typically the hardest areas to stick. So if there's no magnet right on the corner, it's gonna lift. So, let's pull these off. Oh, I'm so pumped. So they have like a little magnetic strip on the casing that will pop the lashes back on. The very ends do have the magnets. I'm so excited. I feel like anxious. I'm so pumped. I have pretty wide eyes, but I think I'm still gonna have to trim these. If you have small eyes, I think you will most likely have to trim quite a bit off. My only concern is that they're now going to be too short. So I'm gonna have to trim them. Well, I have to trim like a whole section off because you want it at the end. That kind of sucks. Oh wow, those magnets are strong. My little tweezers are sticking to them. I wonder if I can trim down the middle of a magnet just to trim like a touch off. Yep, I did. So I don't know if that's gonna affect it in any way, but the magnet did trim off. That one I definitely had to. It's still maybe a little bit long, but I think it would look kind of funny if then it was like that, because that's how much I'd have to cut off. So I'm gonna just go with it. I'm gonna do the same to this one. I'm gonna go ahead and do the eyeliner. Oh yeah, so it says you can also trim the lashes if they're too long. We recommend trimming in small amounts until you're happy. I personally don't recommend that because then they're gonna look very blunt. I mean, do what you want, but I personally don't recommend it. Shape, roll, or bend the lash. I just go like this. They don't do very well because there's those magnets, so it doesn't really shape them much, but I do that. Be bold. Apply a generous amount of eyeliner in 1 or 2 coats, making sure it goes corner to corner. The line should be slightly wider than the magnets for best hold, which is pretty thick, but let's see. What I'm gonna do do is go ahead and do the next one. Then I'm gonna actually put a thin coat over top because I want to give these the best chance, and the instructions do say 1 to 2. So I'm gonna do a very, very thin second coat just to make sure there's enough of that magnetic liner so that these will stick. And then we're gonna test them out. Comments so far. This, if you get it in your lashes, is kind of thick and sticky, but it seems to be pulling out. Be careful though, when you pull on your lashes, you wanna be really, really careful. I'm gonna just apply some mascara. I'm actually trying this for the first time. It's the YSL The Curler mascara. Now, I feel like that eyeliner, some of it's still in my lashes, so it's like making some of my lashes clump together, so just be careful when applying it. You get a lot on the brush, so what I was doing, like, it's like coated, so what I was doing is actually wiping all that excess off. Now, this could get messy as well, so maybe be a little bit more careful than I was and do it more inside so that it drips back down and you don't waste any. But I was wiping it off and I still was getting like a good coating. It's a really nice dark rich black. It's a good thing that that eyeliner is for false lashes, because that got all of my lashes and made them look awful. Mascara feels dry. Let's try this out. Oh my goodness. Wow, they actually stick, and they're cute. I think they're cute. Just pinch them with my fingers to make it nice and close to the lash line. Wow, I'm impressed. That's cool. Now, I don't know if these would like stick as well as glue, in terms of like if you ever to go out in a windy day. I don't know if these would like fly off, but they definitely stick. They're a little bit like long, I'd say. I'd like them a little shorter. But this was the only kind that was on showcase. So I just wanted to try them because they were pretty cheap and I thought they looked cute. Now I'll just show you. So it literally just pulls off like that. Doesn't lift up any of the eyeliner. Doesn't look like there's anything on the magnets. And it literally just like clicks in place. I think this is good. I like them. So what I'm gonna do, so far I'm really a fan. I like them. I would like more styles. I wish that I could get like a almost like the same style but a little bit shorter, or maybe like a touch fuller but shorter. I don't know. Like, I just want options, but I like them. I think they stuck well. I like the idea of the whole idea of it. I like that I don't have all that sticky glue. I liked actually the formula of the eyeliner. I think it looks nice. It's like a really true deep black, and the finish is pretty good. So really cool, really great, and I'm really hoping these last all day, because if they do, these may be my new thing. Magnetic lashes may be my new thing, because I'm loving this. They feel comfortable. They don't feel any different than regular false lashes. If anything, they feel more comfortable because I don't have all that glue on, and it's not like sticky, and it's not like as heavy, I think. I'm gonna clean up this glue here, and then I'm gonna go about my day, and I am going to touch base with you guys throughout the day, and at the end of the day, I guess I'll do like a wear test. And just to see how they wear. So I'm gonna update you guys on that, whether I think in the end, you know, did they work out? So, hey guys, so just a quick update. It is almost 5 o'clock. So it's been like 3 hours, three and a half hours since I put these on. And they look good. They haven't really moved. I still haven't cleaned that up off of my eye. I'm not going anywhere, so I just haven't gotten to it yet. But I'm loving the eyeliner. I think it just looks so nice. I like the, you know, richness of the color. I just really like it. I liked the formula. I like the idea. They're sticking really well. We just came in from outside, me and my son. And we, like, it wasn't that windy, but there was a bit of wind and they went nowhere. I did have a little bit of trouble with this one because the line was a little bit thinner on that side. On the inside, it kept lifting, so I just thickened the line a little bit and that helped. So if you like really thin eyeliner, obviously they're not going to stick as well. So you're going to have to do a little bit of a thicker liner, but the liner is pretty easy to work with and they seem to be sticking really nicely. So I like them. Hey guys, so I'm just checking in. It's after 9 o'clock now, so they've been on for quite a while. And they're still looking good. Not my face though. I used a hydrating primer in an attempt to make a mattifying foundation last dry on my skin, and it was too hydrating, so my makeup is starting to break apart. But my eyelashes are still looking pretty good. This side here I had some issues with, but this side is pretty solid. The corners I had a little bit of issues with throughout the day. They would kind of lift a little bit, I think because it wasn't thick enough. I had fixed this one by thickening the line. But it actually, as I was trying to like squeeze them, some of the liner actually pulled up a bit. So just make sure if you're going to be using these ones to get that nice, not thick, but thick enough line down before you're, you know, applying, because then you won't have to like play with them as much throughout the day. But yeah, I definitely am happy with them. I think that it's really cool. I mean, it's the first time I've tried magnetic lashes, so I don't really have anything to compare them to. But I think, I mean, I would wear them again for sure. I'm really excited to try the other ones as well, just to compare. So as of right now, I recommend these. I don't have really many issues with them, and I thought they were pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Like the video if you enjoyed. And don't forget that I do have a giveaway going on right now, so the link will be below to the video, and so that you can enter that. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.